So check it out. We're out at Papio Fun Park, and then all of a sudden we hear this like cicada make this loud noise, and then see it hit the ground with this wasp or whatever that is. Dinner time, I think. Dang, I think he stung it like 10 times. It's time to eat. He's like starting on its eye or something. I hope not. I don't want to get stung by that big old thing. Now, I would like to stay here and record all of this, but looks like this could take all day. It's nuts. Been seeing a lot of crazy insect stuff this summer. Man, just dragging it.